first of all we write the given trigonometric equation, which is we have cos theta is equals to what? Cos alpha, right? Now take both the terms in left hand side, and we get here cos theta minus cos alpha equals to 0. Here we apply the formula of trigonometric functions. We know that cos c minus cos d equals to cos c minus cos d equal to what? Cos c minus cos d equals to 2 sine minus 2 sine c plus d by 2 into sine c minus d by 2, right? By using this we can solve here. Minus 2 sine, here c is theta and d is what? Alpha. So right here theta plus alpha by 2 into sine theta minus alpha by 2 equals to 0. Okay, now dividing on both sides by minus 2, we get here sine theta plus alpha by 2 into sine theta minus alpha by 2 equals to 0. Okay, now we have in left hand side two factors, and this is equals to 0. So we can take first factor equal to 0 or second factor equal to 0, right? Sine theta plus alpha by 2 equals to 0 and sine theta minus alpha by 2 equals to 0. Okay, and we know that if sine theta equals to 0, then its general solution is theta equal to n pi, where n belongs to z, right? Therefore we can write here uh, theta plus alpha by 2 equals to 0, sorry, n pi, where n belongs to z. Means if we take the multiples of pi, then the value of sine on that angles will be 0. Okay, therefore theta is equals to 2n pi minus alpha, where n belongs to z. Now from this equation we get theta minus alpha by 2 equals to what? N pi, where n belongs to z, and thus we get here theta equals to 2n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to z. Now here two results we have: theta equals to 2n pi minus alpha and theta equals to 2n pi plus alpha. The general solution is what? Theta equals to 2n pi plus minus alpha, where n belongs to z. This is the required general solution. I hope you all have understood it. Thank you very much for watching.